My respects to each and every one of you. Meditation is simply non-religious, non-sectarian. It is not owned by any nation. It is the whole humanity. It is the wealth of the whole humanity. Just because it is invented by physics is not Christian, because it is invented by an American. Similarly, yoga, it is not Hindu. Meditation is not Hindu. In none of the meditation techniques, real meditation techniques, even the repetition of the names are not there. Visualizations are not there. Mantras are not there. So scientifically designed, it is designed by the scientist of the world within, Shiva, the father of yoga, Buddha, great yogi, Krishna. Just see all the pairs of opposites. Why it is happening? Because we are non-meditative. If you are meditative, nobody can touch you. Absolutely, when you are established in your totality, the Atma, you are established. You are a Swami. Swami is nothing. Swami means not wearing a kashaya, orange dress, no, orange robes, no, or just growing a beard, no. One who is established in himself. The body and mind are in harmony, then the soul will come into the forefront. It comes into the forefront. Otherwise, the body will fight with the soul, mind will fight with the soul. The whole process of yoga to bring in the harmony between the body and mind is to bring out the soul and get established in yourself. Then what will happen? You just see. Samasatraucha mitraucha tata mana avamanaha शीतोष्ण सुख दुखेषु समसंग विवर्जितः तुल्य निंदा स्तुतिर्मौनी संतुष्टो एनाकेनचित् अनिकेतः स्थिरमतिर भक्तिमान मय प्रियो नरः. Don't think that it is bhakti with Krishna, no. Bhakti, there is nothing called bhakti here. You don't need to repeat anything. Just live the way God has created. If He wanted if He loves His name, He would have created your vocal cords only to repeat one name. He is not a fanatic. He is not a politician. Sycophants are around Him. Jindabad Rama, Jindabad Krishna, Jindabad Buddha. Nothing. Just because you are doing so many mistakes, but you are repeating His name, will it become a passport to heaven? Think. Think once. Unwholesome, whatever religion you belong to, it is immaterial. If a Hindu boils water, or Muslim boils it, or a Christian boils it, or a Buddhist boils it, or a Sikh boils it, water boils it only 100 degrees centigrade. If you put your hand in the fire, it will burn. That's all. With any amount of mantras, a neem seed cannot become a sugarcane plant. Is it possible to make it a sugarcane? All transformations, all prayers is not to transform the Lord towards you, it is to transform yourself to the Lord. It is absolutely as simple as that. We are giving so much importance to our mind, and mind is such a tiny tool. It's a small spoon. How can it empty the vast ocean? Your head, which is so biased, can you think that this small spoon can empty the ocean? Can understand the infinity? This little knowledge can understand the infinite knowledge, all knowing, omnipotent, omniscient. Is it possible? We have invented some methods. Okay, this wealth is not sufficient, let us earn little more wealth so that I will be happy. It cannot make you happy. 100 crores becoming 1000 crores or 10,000 crores, even the persons who have attained everything, they have still not stopped the game. The power, Alexander, after winning everything, he locked himself in there. Why I have wasted my time? Diogenes says, you can't empty the ocean with a spoon. You can't step into the same river twice. It is so fleeting. How can you? River is changing. Every moment everything is changing. But our vision, our look is so conditioned. You look at the rose flower, you think that I know rose flower, because you know what is a rose. You name it into a word, because words can pack itself in the mind. But heart need not know any word. How you have to look is rose. Everything, your color, texture, the smell, the fragrance, your contact, in that mystical experience, you are so completely in that. Just a simple rose can enlighten you. You don't need a rose garden or the whole of vegetation on this earth, or you don't need to go anywhere when your heart can fill itself so fully. The soul can fill itself fully, but mind, it is like an empty bucket. The bottom is empty. The moment you put it in the well, it looks full. The moment you draw out of the well, it is empty. Same is the case with our mind. Such a lousy instrument. Because we carry our mind, we think that I am the doer. Such is the ego. We think, we don't even think that there is a God. Only in our trouble, only when there is a problem, you believe that there is a God-like person. You don't know anything about yourself. We don't know that a stomach exists. Only when there is stomachache, you feel that you have a stomach. Only when there is headache, you know that you have a head. Somebody is breathing into you, somebody is breathing out of you. Just see any buffalo, just a buffalo, when it breathes, see the puffed up nostrils. It's so aliveful. Go near a deer, it is so awareful. The moment you try to catch it, it slips away. The moment you go near to a bird, it is so awareful, it slips away. So conscious. What happened to the humanity? Why are we so bad? Instead of, even we have come after so many creatures, The human being should have been much better creature compared to all the things in the existence. But are we? Are we happy? No creature on this earth is committing suicide except human being. Think for a moment. And the more the intelligence, more the frustration. IITians, bureaucrats, judges, are they in command of their Atma? That is why it is said, complete health, samadosha samagmischa, samadhatu malakriyaha, prasannatmendriya manaha, swasta itya vidiyate. Samadoshasa, all the three doshas are balanced. Jataragni, harmony. Samadhatu, all the dhatus are balanced. Malakriyaha, all excretion, not only excretion from your two organs, no. Even thoughts you should expel. One bad thought is going to cause you much more harm. Don't think only prostitution, even mental prostitution is much more bad than the physical. Thinking about harming somebody, jealous on somebody, angry on somebody, don't think that they are only causing poisons to the others. Lot of biochemical changes, electrochemical changes are taking place within. To harm the other, first you have to harm yourself. To throw a stone, you will have to pull your hand back. To throw the garbage on somebody, you will hold the garbage in your hand. You will give the carbon copy to the other, and original is a bolder imprint and which is retained with you. Imagine. And our human being, this is the state of human being. Every religious personality, he starts talking about all the be honest, be moral, be ethical, be good, be stop that, stop this. Nobody talks about meditation. And meditation only can transform. If at all they talk, they will say Nam Japa, repetition of name. That is a temporary solution. It is very good. Mantra is very good at the physical level. Vibrations, each alphabet is coming from making certain vibrational frequency. Pranav mantra, Avuma, great. Certainly it will bring in lot of changes, but why only one particular part? Why you rename everything? Why you don't give everything to the public as it is? Particularly it is the duty of most of the spiritual, now you find most of the writers, pundits, scholars in spirituality, not mystics. If you are a linguist, you are a good lecturer, Telugu Pandit, good lecturer. What will happen to you? You talk more about God. Is it going to, I talk about water, will it quench your thirst? I beautifully tell you how to go to Delhi, will you reach Delhi? You have to pass, you take this train, you pass through these intermediate stages. You will have to buy the ticket, sit in the train or flight, take a flight, then only you will reach. And how to reach? Only meditation can take you. Okay, it is for a common man, because that there are various levels of people, they need to tell everything, tantra, yantra, mantra, everything is important. But the deepest thing, even the puja, idol worship is good. But what is the puja room right now? You just see. Only manipulation, only manipulation. to tell the other that I am a religious person, you put some rituals or religious marks on your forehead or change your clothing. Will it alter? It's good. Please do it. Gayatri, Mrityunjaya mantra, Shanti mantra, everything is beautiful. Mudras, very good, wonderful. Kriya, Kundalini, excellent. But how about meditation, which is the deepest of our Sanatana Dharma? Krishna was meditating, Buddha was meditating, Rama was meditating, Shiva was in meditation alone, the father of yoga, meditation alone. Bhagavad Gita, whole of Bhagavad Gita, how do you get the detachment, you tell me? Unless you are a dhyani. Shreyo hi jnanam abhyasat jnanat dhyanam vishishyate dhyanat karmaphala tyagas tyagat shantir anantaram. Only when you meditate, you get detachment. Only when you meditate, you get detachment and desirelessness. What is sthita prajna? स्थिति में प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान is स्थित प्रज्ञा. प्रज्ञा is प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान, not परोक्ष ज्ञान. Heard knowledge, sutamaya panya. Buddha says shrota panya. Shrota, what you hear, it will motivate you. Good, it is good. Scriptures are good, sutras are very good. Even I have undergone lot of this thing. I lot of respects for Bhagavad Gita. My deepest respects. Vishnu Sahasranama, wonderful. Gayatri, wonderful. Mrityunjaya, wonderful. Great mantras. Shivoham, great mantras. But how about meditation? Hari Om, great mantra. Lalita Sahasranama, excellent mantra. Shodasi, Kaye Ila Harim, Hasaka Halaharim, Sakala Harim Shrim, a beautiful mantra. There are various mudras. You do everything, but why not meditation? This is my worry. Even I teach mudras. This is a mudra of the greatest of the mudras. Immediately you can reach the greatest of the mudras are there. So, but I am not against of any of these things, mantras, tantras, everything is good. But how about meditation? You should be deeply inspired by all the great masters and mystics. In my meditation room, I have all the masters, all the gurus. My deepest respect to all the gurus. More duty is on them now to give the technique of meditation of our Sanatana Dharma. How long we will teach? Only there are 112 meditation techniques by Shiva, Vijnana Bhairava Tantra. Why only one small technique? Ajapa Japa, thousands of years back, Soham, Hamso, the Japa which is not Japa, Ajapa Japa. Wonderful, Soham, Hamso. Repetition of A, repetition of U, repetition of A, U, Ma, and becoming the Turiya, wonderful. I am not against of any of these things, good. At the primary level, wonderful. In Sanatana Dharma, we have contributed greatest things to the world. Now please revive everything. Let us not stop only with pranayam or pranava mantra. Why only asana and pranayama and pranava mantra? Go towards the meditation. It is known to you. Spread it more so that individual will change. Only individual has a soul. Society does not have soul. If you have to change the whole forest, each tree has to change. Whatever system of democracy, socialism, aristocracy, autocracy, capitalism, communism, nothing can change the world except meditation. That crude mind, impure mind, to qualitatively change. Unless it changes, how do you love your neighbor? Just by saluting the flag, you become a nationalistic? All Indians are my brothers and sisters. Does it change? Salute the national flag. Does it change? You are, yeah, it is good you are saluting, but you don't care your neighbor, you don't love your neighbor. You love your own home, you don't love everybody, but meditation, the very feature of love, it will spread to whole of humanity. Whole humanity is your nation, whole world is your nation, and this is Vishwa Kutumbam. This is taught by Sanatana Dharma. There is only one Dharma, and that Dharma is purity. You purify through meditation. All other techniques you can fight with. One technique is there, one technique is here, one technique is there. But meditation, non-sectarian meditation, not giving any names of anything, don't need to repeat any name, just observe your breath. What is sectarian in this? Observing the sensations. What is sectarian in this? Observation of thoughts. What is sectarian in this? What is religious in this? The moment you observe, you get your equanimity. There is awareness, there is equanimity. The moment awareness and equanimity are there, now you are uprooting the deeper samskaras within you. All the sensations are neither pleasant or unpleasant, they become equanimous. Now reactions will not take place. One deeper samskara will come in front of you. Again to that also you are equanimous. That sensation also will go. One after the other you uproot all the samskaras, decondition your mind, upgrade your mental software. Then what will happen to your love? There will be only love, there will be only peace, there will be only kindness, there will be only compassion to whole of the world. Let there be peace and equanimity, awareness in the whole world. God bless you.